One of the biggest mistakes people make when learning AI is focusing on individual tools instead of systems. People ask questions like, what's the best AI tool? What's the smartest AI? What tool should I learn first? But in real business environments, the real value usually comes from how AI tools work together. That's what I want to talk about in this video. Not just one AI tool, but how businesses combine multiple tools into automation workflows that solve real problems. Because honestly, that's where modern AI automation is heading. Connected systems, integrated workflows, and tools communicating with each other automatically. So in this video, I'm going to walk through a real-world style workflow example and explain how several AI tools can work together inside a business process. And the best part is, you don't need to be a software engineer to understand the big picture. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine a company wants to create training videos for employees quickly and consistently. Normally, that process could take a lot of manual work. Someone has to write the script, record the narration, edit the video, upload the content, and distribute it internally. Now let's look at how AI tools can work together to streamline the process. Step 1. The script creation. A tool like ChatGPT can help generate the first draft of a training script. For example, a company wants a training video about workplace safety. The AI helps create the outline, the talking points, the structure, and the narration script. Now the business employee can review it, adjust it, and improve it. That's important. In most real-world business environments, AI supports the workflow. It does not completely replace human oversight. Now once the script is ready, the next step is voice generation. This is where ElevenLabs comes in. Instead of manually recording narration every time a process changes, the company can generate professional voiceovers using AI voice technology. That creates several advantages: speed, consistency, scalability, and easier updates. For example, if the company changes a policy, the script can be updated quickly, and a new voiceover can be generated without scheduling another recording session. Now the company has the script and narration. Next comes visuals and video production. This is where a tool like Pictory might fit into the workflow. The system can combine AI-generated narration, visual assets, text overlays, and video scenes. Now the company can create training content much faster than traditional workflows. But the workflow still is not finished. Now the company may want to store the content, track approvals, organize projects, and manage publishing schedules. This is where a platform like Airtable can become important. Airtable can act like the central system organizing the workflow. For example, tracking video status, managing approval steps, assigning tasks, storing project information, and organizing production schedules. Now all the information stays organized in one place. But there's another important layer: automation. Because businesses don't want employees manually moving information between systems all day. That's where automation tools like Zapier or Make become valuable. These platforms help connect systems together. For example, once a training video is approved in Airtable, an automation could send a notification, upload the content, update records, create a task, or trigger another workflow automatically. Now the systems are connected together. And honestly, that's one of the biggest mindset shifts in modern automation. The goal is not just learning individual tools. It's understanding how systems communicate, how workflows move, how information flows between platforms, and how repetitive processes can become more efficient. Now let's look at another real-world business example. Customer support. Imagine a company receives hundreds of customer emails every day. An AI system could Read incoming messages. Understand the issue. Categorize the request. And summarize the message. Then an automation workflow routes the request to the correct department. A CRM system updates automatically. A support ticket gets created. And a response gets sent to the customer. Now multiple systems are working together. AI is helping interpret information. Automation platforms are moving data. And business systems are staying synchronized. That's a real workflow. Now here's something important. A lot of people online talk about AI tools individually. But companies usually think in terms of processes, workflows, departments, systems, efficiency, scalability, and communication. That's why understanding workflows matters so much in automation careers. Because businesses don't just want someone who knows one AI tool. They want people who understand how systems connect together. Inputs, outputs, processes, logic, data movement, automation triggers. That's the real value. And honestly, that's one of the biggest things I've been learning while studying automation. The tools matter. But systems thinking matters even more. Now another important thing to understand is this. Most businesses are not looking for fully autonomous AI systems running everything by themselves. In real business environments, there are usually still approvals, reviews, human oversight, and decision points. AI supports workflows. Automation reduces repetitive work. And employees focus on higher value tasks. That's the practical side of modern AI automation. Now if you're learning AI automation right now, don't get overwhelmed trying to master every single tool immediately. Instead, focus on understanding how tools fit together. Because once you understand workflows, learning new tools becomes much easier. You begin seeing how information moves, how systems connect, and where automation creates value. That's the mindset businesses actually care about. If you want to see more beginner-friendly AI automation videos like this, make sure you follow the channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday focused on practical, real-world automation and business AI tools. And I'll see you in the next video.